I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect DriApp. I made this up, short for drinking app. It's a cure for a hangover. Let's go. The key to good blackened tuna is high quality tuna. We season with our house-made blackening seasoning. It's extremely important that you get your pan wicked hot, like to the point to where it's starting to smoke. This is gonna go in and come out super quick. Perfectly seared. While that's resting, let's make the cure. Let's shake. Next, let's turn up the heat with our blackening seasoning. Skewer it, and we'll finish it with our avocado mousse. You could just set the tuna directly on top of your drink, or if you're going for style, this plate up is the perfect way to go. There you have it, the DriApp. Bloody Mary drink with the blackened tuna app.
It's really good.